You guys ready?
Yes. I am so excited. For Aries is so excited. Okay.
Okay. All right. Now this one is going to be Aries' surprise, but Apollo is going to help him. Okay. Now this is going to be heavy. So when you open it, move slowly. Okay. Don't get injured with something that's a surprise. Okay. You guys can respect that?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it.
A big scooter like this. This is like an electric scooter. I bring it out when this is so. I thought it was going to be a toy. It's huge. Let's build this. Daddy, is this a electric scooter?
No, it's not an electric scooter, but there is something really interesting about it that we'll find out here shortly.
Oh, does it turn?
Okay. Are you guys ready to get it built? Are you ready
to build it?
Yes. Yeah. Holy cow! What is this sucker?
Well, this is a, let me tell them what it's called. This is a Jetson Jupiter Jumbo scooter.
Let's make some up.
All right, we've got your scooter set up to your size. How does it feel?
Good.
You like it?
Yes.
Check this out, the handlebars. How's the grip?
Pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah.
And then these wheels, they're bigger than the other scooter that you had.
Yeah.
And it's got grip tape. Check this out. Look at that. That is amazing. Can we see the underside of it?
What is underside?
The bottom.
Oh.
Okay, let's flip it.
Over.
Let's see. It's got a button on there. Hold on. Is that a button?
Yeah.
It is?
Yes.
Let's see what it does. Can you push it? Whoa. Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
This is like Christmas lights.
It's like Christmas lights. Christmas in the summer, huh? Check that out. Push it again. Let's see what it does. Again?
It just goes slowly.
Again. Oh my goodness. Are you? Wow. Are you ready to take that for a spin? You are?
I want to do it in here. Can I look at it? Oh no.
All right, let me see what you look like. Hi. That looks amazing. Check it out. Here, I'm going to shut off the light. Whoa. Can you take it for a spin? Go.
I want to turn the other lights off.
Okay, be careful. Watch that door.
Come back.
Whoa.
That is so cool. It's getting dark. Wow, that's a whole lot of flashing for me.
This is the whole settle. This is so. I can actually see you.
So what do you think?
It's so cool.
Try it outside.
Not today.
Not yet.
But I want the lights on.
That's when we really get a
This is cool in the
feel
dark.
for it.
Brother, wow, I can still see you. I want the lights on.
Go ahead.
This is cool. Like this. And how do you do it?
Is it smooth?
Yeah. Wait, she's smooth. Wait, where's the button?
Is it smooth?